Morning, everybody. I've got a small magnet here, some core material, 2 flux gate coils that control the flux flow in this circuit. And what I've done, I've designed a board, and I'm probably going to sell these boards for about $70, $75, plus the shipping, whatever. And but what I'm doing, this goes from like down to, I guess, 11 hertz, 10 hertz, all the way up to 1.5K. But you can see that the compass is going kind of crazy around here, spinning, and wow, it doesn't know what the hell to do in that area. But it's humming out on this side, and it's still flying around. Wow, cool. Anyway, this is running at these are the outputs to the FET gates at 26 hertz, and I can crank it up a little bit here. So to get I'm going the wrong way. Darn it. Okay, there we go. So let's put it up to 60 hertz. Okay, there's 60 hertz right there, and you can't tell by the compass. You can feel the vibration, and but it's not flying around like it was. The slower you go, the flying around tells you if the 2 flux gates are actually switching the flux, and if you got the polarity backwards, one of them won't work right. And but anyway, that's the board right there. Got 2 pots. You can change these pots if you want to get your different different frequencies, whatever. But for this type of core material, 60 hertz matches it. Got an on-off switch here. Runs on a 12-volt battery, and it's got the 2 flux gate coil outputs, heat sinks, and I'm running at about, with these 2 coils, the board's driving it at about 390 milliamps to control these 2 magnets. And you can build around it, whatever. Anyway, have a good day.